What's up, fans and YouTube viewers and all alike? Well, right now I am on the 511 heading north in New Jersey. It's a nice sunny day for a ride. So we're gonna talk about a topic, and I'm naming it, Is Your Neighbor Cool? You know what I mean? They roll with the punches on any type of subject or anything that's happening to them. They don't really complain about much, you know. They're easygoing, laid back kind of people. Today, I'm going to tell you a story. So, one late morning, I'm coming out of my apartment, going downstairs, heading over to the bike, set it up, put my camera on, put in some GPS custom route that I created. And as I come to the lobby, walking down the stairs, I run into my neighbor from about 3 doors down. We will call him Gregory. Gregory is such a cool person. I run into him probably every other day, whether I'm coming in or out. Now, he is a bit of a chatty kind of person. And I mean that in a really nice way. I mean, he's a great guy to talk to and get into some nice conversations with. And the best part about him is he loves my Harley. He's always asking about it. Hey, what's up? I haven't heard you start the bike. What's going on? Is it okay? Yeah, Gregory, everything is cool. It's just sitting there parked. I pretty much don't have anywhere to go right now. Unless I go see my mom, or on a weekend and I go, upstate. He also asked me, how my kids, how's my girlfriend, how's everybody doing? And I'm like, same answer. Hey, everybody's doing good. I'm going to probably go see my daughter this weekend and blah, 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 blah. And then he says to me, hey, did you hear about the neighbor across the street? And I'm like, I don't know. What neighbor are you referring to? Well, he lives across the street. He has a blue BMW. I think he drives a BMW. I think so. And I say, oh, can you describe him to me and tell me what he looks like? Oh, sure, I can describe him, Junior. Yeah, he's about 5'8", fair skin, lives across the street, and drives a BMW. So I ask, so what of him? And he says to me, oh yeah, that's actually the most important part of our conversation. Well, they said he passed away. Oh, well, that's not good news. I mean, wow, I feel bad for the guy. I don't know who it is that you're talking about, but I hope I can send some condolences to his family, if I even know who they are. Now, at this point, I gotta make my getaway. I gotta set up the bike and get it ready before Arlene comes down so we could go on our ride. So I say, hey, Gregory, I gotta go, so I'll talk to you soon, and we'll catch up on some other stuff, okay? Take care, alright? See you later. Bye-bye. Now, at this point, I'm out of the door. I'm walking towards my bike, and then a sigh comes to mind. I go, oh, shit. I just asked a blind guy to describe the person he was talking to me about. He's fucking blind. Can you believe that shit? I'm such a fucking idiot, ain't I? Man, when my girlfriend came down and I told her the story before she came, we were rolling because it was just too much. I'm like, what the hell did I say to this guy? But you know what? It didn't even faze him when I said that. He didn't even flinch when I said. He didn't even like, when you say something wrong to somebody, they kind of like step back for a second. Like you could tell when you're standing in front of them, that little reaction that you just pick up, even the most slightest. Gregory is such a good sport. God bless the blind guy. He is a good sport for sure. So please share your idiot story with me and put it down in the comments. Well, that is my idiocracy of the day.